Hey logo legends, welcome to another video. So today we'll be discussing how to incorporate a secret message into your logo design. Now the logo we'll be looking at today is one of my very own concepts called Espresso, which is basically a convenience store or supermarket logo. The video will be split into two categories. The first will be the design phase, in which the video will be played in real time with zero commentary, and the second phase is where I'll be expressing my thoughts on the logo. So if you're more into that part, I'll be sure to place the timestamps in the description. Okay, great, let's begin. Okay, so we're in the commentary section of the video. If you have watched the design phase, I trust that you have learned something based off seeing the methods or techniques I applied in achieving this design. So in this phase, I'll be giving you the full details on my thought process in creating this logo. So to start things off, let's talk about the name Expresso. How did I came up with this name? All right, well, I basically combined two words, express and shopping, and that's how I got Expresso. So express also means fast, quick, reliable, right? That's what you generally think when you hear the word express. Okay, so and the general idea is that when you visit any convenience store, you're not there to linger, you're not there to hang out, so you just want to grab whatever you want and go. So the name Expresso echoes that meaning, that whenever you visit, you're going to be promised a quick, fast, and reliable experience. So next we're going to talk about the colors. Why did I choose these specific colors? Well, let's get into that. Green here is obviously the predominant color, and green in this logo has dual meanings. For the express side, it means go, it means start. It's kind of like when you're at the stoplight and the light is on red and it switches to green, and that means to go. All right, and the green for the shopping aspect of the logo is the company's promise that whatever goods they're selling is fresh, healthy, and not at the manufacturer expiry date. So that's what the green represents. Also, I have white here as the main color for the letters in the logo design, and I chose white because it contrasts the dark green backdrop here nicely, and it makes things much easier to read. Obviously, a logo like this, it will be scaled largely on a sign, on a billboard, so you want customers to see the logo from afar and can read out comfortably what the name of the business is. So that's the reason for the white there. And here we have the two S's, which I'll get into later as what these two S's mean, right? But for now, let's talk about red. Why did I choose red? Because red is a color, it's a very strong color that is used to get your attention or create a strong desire or interest for, right? Lots of food companies tend to use red because it tends to draw you in and makes you desire whatever food they're selling. For example, KFC, Pizza Hut, they use the color red in their logo designs. And finally, I have the gold here, the gold highlights here. And what the gold basically represents is whenever you visit Expresso store, you'll be promised a golden experience when you're shopping. So it's a nice little accent to finish off the design. Alright, so next we're gonna talk about something here. We're gonna talk about the fact that this is not the first concept. This is not the first version of the logo here. So the first version, which I'm about to show you here, is actually this design, and as you can see, I still kept the green as the predominant color, but all the letters now are in white, and that's because when I was creating this logo at first, I had no intention of incorporating any secret message in the design. I just wanted a nice, cool looking logo for the name, so I wasn't planning on doing such things. But then once the design was finished, I kept looking at it and just thought that this just looks too cliche. Just looks too basic, like the average big company logo, or any type of regular logo design. So then I started to explore other options, and that's how I got to the more flat version you're seeing here, right, side by side. So I got rid of the drop shadows, the inner shadows, and just basically make this logo flat. And then an idea came into my mind that, hey, let's change the color of the two S's. And then immediately when I did that, that's how I accidentally discovered that the two S's could have a deeper meaning to it. And yeah, let me just tell you now what the two S's means. So the two S's can either mean smart shopping or super savings, and that is the hidden meaning that the business would want to imply, that when you shop here, when you shop at Expresso, not only will you be guaranteed a quick and reliable service, but you save a few extra dollars here if you shop here rather than shopping at the competitor's store. And yeah, that's the whole meaning behind, the whole secret behind the two S's. You guys can all let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, let me know which version you prefer, because I know that some people will definitely prefer the more 3D look of the logo in the first version, right? Not too much colors going on, while some, including myself, rather is the second version, because the second version is a lot more memorable in my opinion. Alright, so you can go ahead and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So on a side note, guys, incorporating secret messages in your logo is nothing new. Designers has been doing it for a very long time, and I'm going to just show you two good examples of famous logos, right? Famous company logos that has secret messages incorporated in them nicely. And here we have FedEx and Amazon. So let's start off with FedEx. I mean, at first glance it does seem ordinary, seems like nothing much is going on. But if you look closely, there's this hidden arrow, right, in the negative space, and that was created by just basically changing the height of the X to let it match the crossbar of the E here. So that was done really nicely. The designer's name is Lyndon Leader. He created this iconic FedEx logo. So what the arrow represents is speed, right, in delivery of whatever products or services FedEx is providing. So it also means reliable as well, fast. That's the general idea of the arrow that you're seeing there. And let's go over to the Amazon logo, which it's a very cool looking logo. I love Amazon. I love to shop on from the website. It's a great shopping experience, right? So at first glance as well, I mean, I mean, lots of people wouldn't realize this, but the arrow under the name Amazon isn't just an ordinary arrow. As you can see here, it shapes like a smile, right? So that indicates that you're going to be happy doing business with Amazon. Also, the arrow here is specifically placed to go from A to Z. And what that means is that Amazon, just like the forest Amazon, which is very biodiverse and has a wide variety of species of animals, and so does Amazon provides a wide variety of products, right? They try to provide everything with a name from A to Z, like all the letters of the alphabet. So does Amazon tries to provide as many products as they can, right? That's why the arrow goes from A to Z. So these designers, they knew what they were doing, right? And that's how you can incorporate a secret message in your logo. On a final note, guys, you don't have to always strive to. Not all your logos have to have a secret meaning in it. Even I, at first, as I said before, wasn't trying to place any deeper meaning in your logo. It's not a requirement, in my opinion, right? It's just a happy accident, and if it's done nicely, it could have a higher impact on the logo design. But it's not something you should stress. Just let it happen if it happens. So that's it, guys. That's my thought on that's my thoughts on creating secret messages in logos. I trust that you have enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.